My name is Miriam Fine, and I am the lead 8th grade English language arts teacher at Grand Bay Middle School in Grand Bay, Alabama.
As a huge lover of new tech, I have been using Google Classroom and Google Suites in my own classroom for the past 2 years. I've loved helping my language arts and creative writing students use Google tools to help them explore varied topics, perfect their writing, and publish quality posts. I had shown some of my colleagues the advantages of using Google Classroom, but when our school year was called off due to the COVID-19 outbreak, I knew that it was time to step up to help my school use Google products to implement our online learning curriculum. I was so impressed by my coworkers and inspired by their desire to learn, I decided to continue these trainings online. At this point, I've conducted 5 full trainings and over 20 one-to-one coaching sessions. I hope to become an official Google trainer and continue these trainings to help schools in South Alabama and beyond successfully implement online learning.
I believe that blended learning is the future of education and that Google can help all students become the 21st century learners that our world needs.
Today, I'm going to show how to create a choose your own adventure assignment with Google Forms. I love choose your own adventure assignments because they help my students organize their ideas about complex topics and mimic the guiding questions that I would ask them in class. I especially love using this tool with my struggling students who might not have the same one-to-one support at home during distance learning that they would at school. A CYOA Google Form assignment personalizes the questions that students see based on their responses. Students can decide which path they want to take simply by choosing different responses. This is a great modification for students who struggle to create these paths for themselves. CYOA forms take only a few extra steps to create. Here are the basics. First, you want to decide on the different paths your students can take. To create different paths, you need to create different sections in the Google form by clicking the Add Section button on the question toolbar. Then you can change the path for each response by clicking the 3 dots on the bottom right and selecting Go to Section based on answer. You can repeat this process for each diverging path that students might take in your assignment. Simply add your question, add new sections, and assign one of these sections for each response. Finally, when students get to the end of the assignment, make sure to change the final step to submit form. Before you give students access to the assignment, click the Preview button and check for yourself that the paths in the CYOA form will take your students where you intend. Once this has been completed, you're ready to let your students choose their own adventure in learning.